Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Entitled Woman Refuses to Leave Hotel Room, Gets Dragged Out Instead.
On December 20th, 2025, officers responded to a hotel after reports of a shoplifting suspect being spotted there.
Did you take some lighters up from the shell?
No.
No? Are you sure? Because we have someone matching your description that was up at the shell, took some lighters and was arguing up there with the staff. Do you got an ID on you?
I ain't take that lighter. I bought some cigarettes.
You bought cigarettes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you have an ID? They just want you to trespass up from the shell.
They want
They're trespassing you up from the shell, yeah.
You stay at this hotel?
I don't got my ID.
You don't have it on you?
Of course you don't. Shocker.
What's your first name? Romeoville 320. Can you run one by name and date of birth?
Want to go sit in the lobby while we wait? We gotta wait for some paperwork, all right?
Hi, Horton. You stay up at this hotel?
No.
No? Were you trying to get into a room then, or?
No, in a room.
You're in a room? Okay.
So you do stay here?
No, I don't stay here. I'm just in the room. I'm checking out at 11.
Okay. 317 from 320. Can you have them sign trespass paperwork and then bring me up over here?
Once the trespass paperwork was brought to the hotel, staff requested that the suspect be removed from the property.
So what room were you trying to get in down there earlier? Latino?
Did you say they can unlock the room?
She said it's unlocked, and he gave us permission to go in there.
What y'all want?
You gotta grab your
We gotta
stuff.
get your stuff, and you gotta go. Nope. Nope.
I am.
No, you're
I have to
not.
use the bathroom.
Okay,
No.
you can use
go
it
use
right
the
here.
bathroom.
Y'all beans. Go
We're
away.
not going in the bathroom. No one's going in the bathroom with you. Get your stuff, and you gotta go.
Y'all gotta go away. All of
The
y'all
hotel
men.
workers want you removed.
The men
don't
gotta
want
go
you to-
away. All of y'all men's gotta
They're
go
gonna
away.
stand right here. They can't see into the bathroom. If you have to use the bathroom,
The
use it
men
right
gotta go away.
They're not going
No.
away.
They gotta go away.
They're not going away.
They gotta go away.
Get your stuff, and let's go.
I ain't going nowhere. For 3 hours.
No, you gotta go.
Oh, you going somewhere. Oh, you definitely going somewhere. Boy. What you saying? You not going nowhere. Man, look. This can go real peaceful, real smooth, real quick. You know what I'm saying? Or it could get real ugly real fast.
Go now.
Y'all gonna sit right here for 3 hours.
No, we're not.
You shall.
Start gathering your stuff. Is this all your stuff?
I ain't going nowhere because it's going checked out. It's paid for 3 hours.
Well, they want you trespass, so you gotta go now.
All right, it's either you leave or you're getting arrested.
Yeah.
So which way do you want to go?
3 hours.
We're gonna put you in handcuffs, and you're gonna get arrested if you don't leave.
Y'all gotta leave out of here.
No, we're not
Y'all
leaving.
trespass.
You have to leave.
Y'all trespass.
No, you're
Y'all
trespassing.
trespass. Y'all trespassing.
Okay,
in my
so
room.
do you want to get arrested or
Y'all
are you gonna leave?
trespassing in my room.
No.
No, we're not.
The room's
The-
not under your name. We got permission.
Y'all trespassing
here.
in my room.
No, this isn't your room.
No,
We have permission
ain't no
from Fred to be in here. Yeah,
No.
Yeah, I just talked with him on the phone. So you have to leave.
Y'all got permission to get my face. That's what y'all got permission to do.
Okay, you
Out
want
of
to
my
leave
face.
or you're gonna? How do you want to go?
Y'all
about this?
gotta get out of my face. That's what y'all gotta
Let's take
do.
it back.
Yep.
All right, come on, let's go.
No.
Yep.
I'm going. No. No. Let me
Your
go.
hands behind your back.
Let me go.
Let's go.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm leaving. Let me go. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Let me go.
Too late now.
Let me go. All my stuff. Let me go. Let me go. Y'all, let me go.
Nope.
Ain't no cameras in here. And y'all trespass.
Stop resisting.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Can you hit?
Let me go.
Got it?
Let me go. Let me go. Get those neon out there.
We told you to stop resisting.
Right there. Get those neon out there.
Close it.
Stop resisting.
Let me go.
You double lock it?
Not yet.
17 show 195.
Let me go.
We're way
Need
past
light?
that.
Let me go. Let me go. All my stuff is not in my purse. Let me
It's too
go.
late. Better that way.
Let go of my leg.
Let me go.
Kick him?
Get this off of me. Let me go.
Pat her down real quick.
Get this off of me.
Nope. Too late.
You're gonna have to make
we
this
have to
tighter.
tighten
Huh?
You gotta make this tighter.
Gotta move tighter. Let me go.
Yeah.
Why y'all got me under arrest? Let me go.
Nope. You're under arrest. Too late.
Under arrest for what?
Trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
Yep, you are.
No, I'm not. Yeah, let me go.
Yep.
Let me go.
Nope.
Could you let me go?
Nope. Too late.
That one's good.
Double
We
up.
gave you the option.
Stop.
How should you let me go? Could you let me go, please?
Nope.
Why y'all all over me? Let me go! I ain't got shit in my pocket.
Roll her over.
Why is you on me like that?
Because you're kicking.
I'm not kicking shit. If you don't get up off of me,
Yeah.
what you unzipping me
Stop.
And making sure you don't have anything on you.
for? Ain't a damn thing on me.
Alright, sit her up.
Y'all recording this?
Yep.
Yeah, we are.
We're all on recording.
Alright, sit her up.
Let me go. You want to sit her up.
Got it.
Yep. So
Let me go.
we're going. Come on, let's go. You gonna sit up?
Is that her?
Let's go.
Where am I going? For what reason?
For trespassing, come on.
I'm not
You're gonna keep
trespassing
it
shit.
complicated?
What's trespassing?
We told you to leave the property and you didn't leave, so come on, let's go. Come on.
Now y'all making an arrest?
Yep. Get up.
Let me go.
Grab her legs.
Let me go. Get my charger out of there. Get my charger out of there. Get my charger.
Not too late. You want me to grab her?
Get my charger.
Yeah, she was. Yeah, the lady cops is all right, but for this, I don't know. She might have to step aside, man. We need some manpower to drag her on up out of here, man.
Get my charger. Get my charger on my
Stop
stuff.
We're gonna
resisting.
grab it.
We might need
Relax.
her to grab a purse or
Let
something.
me go. Why y'all arrest me for?
Let's go. Come on.
Uncuff me now.
No.
Let me go. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go. You dragging me out here. Let me go.
You guys got it?
Why y'all arresting me for?
Stop.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Okay, she holding her own. Okay.
Let me go. Y'all have no reason to arrest me. Let me go.
Carry
What
her.
reason you arresting me for? Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Y'all cannot do this to me.
Stop. Do not kick me.
Hey, record them. Record them. Let me go. Let me go.
Stand up.
Let me go.
Stand up.
Okay, so it's 7:20. I want to see what time it was when this first started. Oh, okay. All right, not that much time passed by. Okay.
No.
Yeah, you can.
I ain't trespassing.
Get
Yes.
it later.
No.
Go ahead.
Get my son out of
About
there.
a half hour.
Get my son.
Get that later.
No.
Yeah, you can.
Gregor, go to the other side and pull her through.
Let me go. Oh, no, wait. Let me go.
Get in.
Get in the car.
You're making it more complicated. Get in.
You're already getting resisting too.
It's Christmas. Let me go.
Doesn't matter. Watch your feet.
The woman was trespassed from the hotel and charged with retail theft and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Whoa, where did retail theft come from? So they must have found something.